Sanibonani Ganzagwethu, I am back and today I have a wig installation tutorial for beginners. We're learning, guys, we're all learning. But anyways, so number one, you're gonna need a wig cap, you're gonna need some scissors, and got to be glue spray. So what I do is I start off by cutting some holes around my ears so that I'm able to glue down the sides of my ears properly, because I find that normally that's like the trickiest part. So once your got to be glue has completely dried down, you trim your wig cap, turn it into a bald cap. I put on some makeup just so it blends nicely into my skin tone. I then use some Ghost Bond glue to lay my wig. So I put in 3 layers of the glue because I normally want my wig to last longer. Please make sure that you flatten out the glue and you wait for it to completely dry, or else it's gonna have a white cast and no one wants that. I then lay my wig, but what I do is I always make sure that my wig is prepared on my wig stand before I lay it. So I'll flatten everything, put on some mousse before I put on my head so that it's just easier to manage. And then I just stick it on where my glue has dried and where I want my wig to start off. You can see me focusing on the sides because those areas are so difficult. They're so difficult, but I think I managed to do okay in this bit. So that's what we'll do there, and then we move on to the other end, also focusing on the sides. I really do like clean sides. And I'll just brush it down and then use my hot comb to further flatten the wig. I'm not doing baby hairs today, so that's just what I wanted. That's just why I wanted a slick back in that sense. So I'll continue brushing it out, making sure that area is clean, and put it into a ponytail so that it's easier for me to put on my band. I'll then put on my band, and guys, I normally will sit for 2 hours with this thing on. I know it's ridiculous, but if you want your wig laid, gotta do what you gotta do. This is after I've removed my band. I put on some makeup just to blend in the lace a bit more, as this is not an HD lace. But guys, I am all done. This was for work, so nothing too intense, no baby hairs. Just wanted to make sure that the wig is nice and clean and properly laid, and we achieved that. Let me know if you have any questions.